Hi there, students. Indelicate, an adjective. You could have the adverb indelicately. So if somebody is indelicate, they show a lack of sensitivity, a lack of tact. Yeah, they ask the wrong question. They put their foot in it. So I hope you don't mind me asking an indelicate question, but how old are you? Or maybe asking somebody, how much money do you make? That's a bit of an indelicate question. Or maybe slightly indecent as well. When he gets drunk, he tends to tell rather indelicate jokes, rather rude jokes. Yeah, they're rather risque. Okay, so if your words or your actions are indelicate, they're not appropriate for the situation. Yeah, people are likely to be offended by them. Yeah, it's showing a lack of social sensitivity. Yeah, a faux pas is being indelicate. Yeah, would it be indelicate of me to talk about how much I'm going to charge you for this? Yeah, he's always telling indelicate jokes and using indelicate vocabulary. Yeah, so indelicate, you're doing something that's not socially correct. Yeah, he made some very indelicate remarks about her short skirt. Yeah, everybody was shocked at the indelicate things that he'd said. Okay, so if something's indelicate, it's not following the normal standards of society. Maybe it's a bit rude or offensive or coarse or just improper. Yeah, he made some rather indelicate suggestions. He used very indelicate language. Okay, so if something's indelicate, it's not becoming. Yeah, it's not seemly. It's immodest. It's maybe risque. It's embarrassing. Yeah, indecorous, unbecoming. Okay, and that's the idea there. So if you're indelicate, you're being clumsy socially, either with the words that you use or the actions that you undertake. Okay, so it can sometimes be difficult to touch on an indelicate subject. When talking about indelicate subjects, people often use euphemisms. Yeah, so they don't say die because the word die is probably considered a bit indelicate. So to pass away, to pass on, something like that. Okay, so yeah, he indelicately got extremely drunk, tactlessly, undiplomatically, yeah, coarse and rude. Okay, and that's the idea of indelicate. Okay, so formality. I think using indelicate like this is probably a slightly formal word. I'd probably give it maybe 6.5. Could you use it in an informal conversation? I think you probably could. Yeah, but maybe something like offensive, indecent, or vulgar might do as well. Okay, so indelicate, embarrassing and tasteless. Yeah, not in following with propriety or modesty. Yeah, his outfit was very indelicate for a funeral. Yeah, it was bright red with day-glow spots on it. Okay. He's a scoundrel and always doing things in a most indelicate way. Yeah, he's not the most delicate of people. Okay, so as I said, a little bit formal, but it's quite a useful word. And then it comes from the Latin word delicatus, giving pleasure, soft, luxurious, delicate. And then in, so it's the opposite, not delicious, not pleasurable. And if somebody's being indelicate, well, yeah, the things that they're saying or doing are not pleasurable or not well received by the group. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Indelicately.